Leads, leads, leads. That's what all businesses want. And did you know that Google Local Service Ads, otherwise known as Google Screened or Google Guaranteed, only bills you for the qualified leads that you receive? I know, right? And that's not even the best part, because here at the Local Service Ads YouTube channel, we teach you every week how to harvest the power of Google Local Service Ads, because we are a Google Local Service Ads certified partner, meaning we get access to insights that most other people don't get access to, with white hat, Google approved, secret DIY strategies that will help you to maximize your marketing return on investment and create a consistent and ever-growing flow of pre-qualified, pre-sold leads to your business. It doesn't matter what industry you're in, blue collar or white collar. If you can be on local service ads, then these strategies apply to you as well. So hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with the latest strategies for Google Local Service Ads or Google Guaranteed and Google Screened, and we will see you soon. Let us know how we can help you.